What is going on, everyone? It is Mr. 64, and today I am going to show you how to make a simple animation. First, we are going to be doing the preparation of how to do it. So in order to prepare a simple animation, you'll need a word processor to write a script. Now you don't need to use any application to write a script, or even write a script on paper, but it is highly recommended. Now to write a script, you'll need Office Word 365 or Google Docs, but mainly I use Office Word 365. So I'll show you how to write an episode. First, write your series name on the episode script. Then you have to write the episode name, and the last thing you must do is write the format in brackets. S means season, and EP means episode. Another thing, you need to write the season number and the episode number. You need to come up with good characters and a good plot, because good plots and the characters help you get more views. And finally, you have to do the layout. To do the layout of your plot, you have to pick out the number of scenes. So now that you have all your scenes listed for your episode script, you can now start writing your episode. And that's pretty much what you need to do. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon.